Hey singers, welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. I hope you're good. So today I have a special vocal exercise for you, and it's really designed to tackle an overly breathy singing voice. So if you have an overly breathy singing voice, then this is going to help you, and it's really going to enhance your vocal cord closure. And this is key to really just developing that control, stability and power in your singing voice. And I don't know about you, but I definitely want some more of that control, stability and power in my singing voice. But before we get started, let's set the stage. So I often emphasize the importance of a balanced singing voice, right? Really avoiding those extremes of going too loud and too yelly or going too soft and too breathy. But a skilled singer can really explore these extremes to convey the emotions of a song and really perform their song. But the art always lies in returning to that more controlled, balanced state. Go a little bit more on the yellier side to sing your song, but bring it back to that relaxed state. Go a little bit more on the breathier side, but bring it back to that relaxed state. So this exercise is really going to help you with vocal cord closure, and vocal cord closure is so key to great singing. I'm telling you, it is so important. So let's do the exercise, and we're going to do the ha, ha, the ha, ha, ha. You can think karate chop, but that ha part really encourages the vocal cords to close, creating a sound position to begin that Now, normally our vocal cords are open at rest, but they come together and they vibrate as soon as we start vocalizing. And this is really what gives our voice the sound, when our vocal cords come together and vibrate. But that karate chop action at the start of the exercise really positions the vocal cords more effectively and promoting that stronger vocal cord closure, which is what we need. And it's crucial, really crucial, to make sure that you maintain that vocal cord closure as you transition from that ha into the ha ha So what I want you to do is I want you to position your hands like you're praying, and this gesture is really just going to help you to visualize and maintain the vocal cord closure. So vocal cords are open when at rest, and then as soon as we start vocalizing, they come together and they vibrate. But with this, we're going to go ha, the vocal cords are going to close, and then we're going to go from this position. Ha, 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 So really try to not make that ha heavy. It doesn't need to be heavy. It just needs to be just right, just at speaking level. Ha, 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 ha. You don't need to start going ha, 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 you know. I don't want any of you going ha. That is not going to work. Just ha, 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 ha. Yeah, anyway, so that's how you do the exercise. But should we take it to the scale and give it a go on the scale and see what it sounds like there? Yeah, let's do it. Ha. 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 That's a wrap for today. Remember, the key to great singing is balance, balance, balance. And if you liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with anyone you feel is going to find it beneficial. Also, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I upload a new video. But for more tips on really just improving your vocal cord closure, check out my other videos on the topic. And you can also download my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. And I have a whole bunch of vocal training videos, vocal workouts, challenges, and the Voice Savvy singing community is on the app. But yeah, until next time, keep singing, keep finding that balance in your singing voice, and I will see you soon. Peace. Mwah.